Welcome to this video tutorial on how to complete your profile details. Having a complete profile is important because it helps us personalize your experience and make it easier to autofill your data when signing up for web accounts or completing online forms. To get started, go to your account page. Here you'll see your profile completeness score, which tells you how much information you've entered and what's missing. To increase your score, click on the profile on the left menu. Start by clicking on Identity and entering your first and last name and date of birth. This information is used to identify you and personalize your experience. Next, click on Add New and complete your address, phone, and company details. These fields help us provide relevant information and make it easier to sign up for web accounts or online forms. Here, you can add as many name, email, and address as needed. You can increase your profile completeness and get more out of LogMeOnce. And that's it. With just a few simple steps,